Okay, starting the recording now. It's recording. Yeah, we'll just do it this way. I'm just gonna. Yeah. Swallow's Nest Beverage Logan. It just sounds wrong. FDA, USDA, some other shit. Oh, it's even stamped on here by the fucking people I took my test for. Hepasec. Or, or the fucking HACCP. Whatever. Alright. So I know it's fresh. Oh. My God. That smell. It's chunky around the edges. Okay, when the fuck does this expire again? But it's best before April 16, 2017. Oh. Yeah, it's still good, but it has a mint smell to it. Yes, a mint smell. Oh, God damn it. I love you too. I'm doing this to cheer you up.
You wanted to do it anyway.
Yeah, I know. I wanted this anyway, record it anyway. So it's whatever. It's just kind of fun. 100% guaranteed, 100% genuine Swallow's Bird Nest. 100% hand wash, 100% no bleaching, 100% no preservatives, 100% no artificial colors, no artificial sweetener added. Fuck. It's 16, what was it? 16 grams of sugars in this fucking thing and 15 milligrams of sodium. Alrighty. That smell though. And it doesn't look chunky from the top, but it is like this. Oh my gosh, you can see everything in it. All right, no fucking around. I guess down the hat. I don't know if I'll swallow this or not. Okay. um. Yeah, because I don't need this. It was still the texture that was just shitty. You feel it. You feel it dissolve in your mouth. You just feel it all up in there, just slowly dissolving away. It's like fucking A. But not as bad as what I thought. Like how much people I've seen do this. It's not too bad. Let's see if I can get that. Oh yeah, I can't. Cool, I can do that. Okay, there we go. And you see the chunks in it.
I do.
Oh my God. There's like, oh, there's some. Oh God. I love you too. I mean, you can survive off of it. I wouldn't want to, but Swallow's Bird Nest Beverage Logan is just, yeah, it's a hell of a lot different. I don't understand how Orientals and all them can drink this shit. I fucking never will again. I might finish this bottle off. There's a bird on the bottom. Oh my God. But I mean, not. It's really cool bottle. Yeah, I might keep it. I might just dump it out and just fucking keep it. I wonder if I can chug it. So much I can get down before the texture just fucks with me. This is supposedly a fucking energy drink. Actually, no, I doubt it. I'll pass the fuck out.